Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing one of the many projects, customizations, and solutions we created for our merchants over the years. The topic we'll be discussing in this presentation is Amazon Marketplace Repricer project. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Frequently, merchants ask us about automating their critical business processes. Some of the reasons they cited were that many of their processes were repetitive in nature and prone to error. They were falling short of productivity goals, and many of their business processes required faster completion and turnaround. Also, they wanted to minimize staff intervention as much as possible. They realized automation was the only way they could grow their business profitably, so they contacted us for help. In this presentation, we'll explore a solution we designed, developed, and implemented for Sgt Knots Supply Company. Sgt Knots sells their products online under their own brand, so they don't have any direct competitors. They do not use traditional marketplace repricers for their products since they are a private label, and the only merchants associated with those products. However, there are other merchants selling similar products, so it is necessary for them to be price competitive or suffer lost sales. Their goal was to automate their repricing process by eliminating as much staff involvement as possible. They wanted a central hub for product repricing. Once a product has been repriced, they want it to be automatically uploaded to Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault simultaneously in the required formats for each platform. This project highlights solutions and technologies that we've used for various merchants. Let's get started with the Amazon Marketplace Repricer project presentation. Let's review the Amazon Marketplace Repricer project. The challenge. Sgt Knots sells their products on the Amazon Marketplace as well as their own website using Shopify Plus. They use SKU Vault to manage their product catalog. For 3 years, Sgt Knots used an online system to store their products for repricing. Unfortunately, it was not linked to their inventory management software, SKU Vault. They downloaded from one platform and uploaded to another and vice versa to keep everything current. It was a lot of work, and data always seemed to be out of sync. This lengthy and cumbersome process took place each time Sgt Knots repriced 1 or 1,000 products. On some occasions, they needed to perform this process several times a day for various product groups. It became increasingly clear they needed to do something different since their current repricing process was unsustainable. Their goal was to automate their repricing process by eliminating as much staff involvement as possible. They wanted a central hub for product repricing. Once a product had been repriced, they wanted it to be automatically uploaded to Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault simultaneously in the required formats for each platform. They weren't sure if this could be done, but they asked us for a proposal for their product repricing automation project. We responded with a scope of work, project deliverables, development schedule, and estimated cost to complete. They eagerly accepted our proposal, and we proceeded with the project. The solution. Sgt Knots' requirement for central hub for repricing guided our decision to use Communique for marketplaces and marketplace reporting as the foundation for their product repricer automation project. Communique already contained all the necessary structures and functionality for staff interaction and data storage, so in essence it became the hub. The project was developed and implemented in 6 phases. Phase 1 entailed deployment and installation of Communique and related database software, since it would act as both a reporting platform and data store for product repricing. Phase 2 involved acquiring data from the inventory management system SKU Vault. Since SKU Vault was used as their master catalog, we needed to get product, brand, category, purchase order, supplier, and warehouse data to populate the data store. We built a synchronizer to integrate with SKU Vault and periodically download updates from their product catalog and related product information automatically. Phase 3. This was the Amazon Seller Central integration. We used our existing Amazon Seller Central sync to integrate with Amazon and download FBM and FBA orders and inventory, including the same data for Canada and Mexico marketplaces. Settlement file downloads and processing were enabled as well to support their marketplace accounting. Phase 4 entailed integration with their Shopify website. Since SKU Vault was being used as their master catalog, we could not use product data from their Shopify site. We modified our Shopify synchronizer to download their products to a separate products table. We needed the Shopify product ID to facilitate price updates to their Shopify site. Note: you cannot use the product SKU for updates to Shopify. It must be the Shopify product ID. Phase 5 entailed creating a custom product repricer report to facilitate the user interface, the hub, for product repricing. The report contained all the necessary features to calculate a new price based on the preset markup percent, market fees percent, any additional amount to include in the new price, and finally settings for the price floor and ceiling. In addition to the automated price calculation, we included the ability for manual price, floor, and ceiling overrides. The user could accept the calculations or choose to manually enter a different value. The user could accept the calculations or choose to manually enter a different value. When repricing has been confirmed, it is sent to a queue awaiting upload to the marketplaces. Phase 6 entailed uploading the repriced products to Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault. The SKU Vault synchronizer was expanded to include a repricing tab containing options controlling the frequency and uploads to the marketplaces. By default, uploads occur every 30 minutes. The bottom line: the product repricer we created for Sgt Knots fulfills all project requirements from start to finish. The only manual process of product repricing is using the product repricing customer report found in Communicate for Marketplaces. Even the report is mostly automated, requiring a few points and clicks to narrow the range of products and calculate new prices. Once the new prices are submitted, an integrator running in the background collects the repriced products and automatically submits them to Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault without any need for further staff involvement. The product repricer offers Sgt Knots essentially limitless opportunities to reprice their products as often as necessary with very little effort by staff. The project was a resounding success. Automation frees your staff to do more important things for your business and let your computer do what it does best, which is processing data. This project is a good example where automating is the right answer and best course of action. This wraps up our presentation of the Amazon Marketplace repricing project for Sgt Knots. Business automation is a specialty of ours. What takes your staff hours or days to accomplish manually can be automated to process the same task reliably and consistently. Start to finish, automated processes should take seconds or minutes, not hours or days. Let your computers do what it does best, process data. Automation is crucial for any business, especially yours. You can contact us at sales@Marketplace Reporting to learn more about Marketplace Reporting and how we can help. Join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.